How to check if your mail has been read or not. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can check if your mail has been read or not. So let us get started. First of all, head over to your Gmail or any mail and check if you can know if there is any way to check if your mail has been read or not, and you'll find out that it is not. So head over to your app store now, search for this app called Track Email Tracking and download it. Now after you've downloaded it, open it up. Now all you need to do is set this app up. Now this is a really trusted app. Most people have been using this app. So just open this up, and after you open this up, you'll simply need to set it up. And setting it up is not really hard. You'll simply need to continue with your Google account. After you type your Google account in and log in, you will simply get a different interface in your Track app. And after you get a different interface on your Track app, you will get a list of mails that you have sent. And after you get that, you will basically have a little checkbox there, like you do in WhatsApp and Viber, and you can check if the mail has been read or not. And it's that simple guys, and that is basically it for this video too. Thanks for watching.